This is how to replace the battery on a JTEE3D slim AirTag. Take a flathead screwdriver and remove the old battery, like so. Take a new CR2032 battery, check the wires are in their correct positions and insert the new battery. You can hold the positive wire down with your finger now to make sure it doesn't move as you insert the new battery. As you insert the new battery, you should hear the AirTag make a noise. If it doesn't, remove the battery, check the wires are in their correct positions. It's also worth bending them slightly so that they make better contact with the battery, and try again. If the AirTag is still not making a noise, check that the battery works on another device. If you're still having problems, contact me. My details are in the description below.